Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Riding the Reaper. This just happened. My Serpentine belt decided to slip off coming home on Saturday past. So I was like depressed the whole weekend because not only did the Serpentine belt come off, the idler pulley that's next to the alternator, the bearing seized and basically ripped the whole idler pulley into pieces. And luckily I came out with the Serpentine belt intact and not broken, but I don't know if you guys can see this. See all those little tears and cracks in the belt. The belt's on its way out anyway. So I was looking everywhere for a belt and I couldn't find one. So I thought to myself, I'm gonna have to import one. And importing down here in South Africa, if you import anything, it takes weeks. So got a local supplier through a newfound buddy of mine. Gonna be dropping his link down below in the description to his workshop. He is in Montague Gardens. He goes by the name of Wayne, and he is from Ackerman Motors. Now guys, these guys have been around forever. I mean, I'm talking about back in the day. They have extensive knowledge of V6, V8, anything muscle related, anything muscle car related, anything that has a bunch of horsepower under the hood. There's people, they know, they have extensive knowledge. I mean, I spoke to them, Wayne, for a good 2 hours just speaking about muscle cars and you know, everything that goes with muscle cars. And this guy, you can see he truly has a passion for what he does, and that's what you're looking for in stuff like this. Is you want people that have a passion for these things and not just, oh well. And I told him this, myself. You don't want someone that just, you know, oh, I put this in your car, take it, bye, give me my fucking money. This guy's, it's a business, he needs to make money obviously, but you can see he has a passion for this, and you can see his heart is in it, his heart is in the right place. And he hooked me up with, let me get this for you guys. He hooked me up with a brand new Serpentine belt for the Reaper. And also, not only that, is this dude went and gave me a new pulley. Look at this. And it's the steel one, not that shitty plastic one that was on the freaking car to begin with. I don't know why they put that shit on the car in the first place. But yeah, as you guys might know, I don't know if you do know this, but she is my daily driver, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on now, since it being Monday night. It's past 6 already, so I'm gonna be putting on the Serpentine belt and the idler pulley now. Gonna go over to my dad's place and we're just gonna be installing that, and see a quick video on that as well. This is just a quick video basically. This is more a video to promote this guy's work. Guys, you don't understand. When I tell you that someone's good in what they do, I'm not doing it for any other reason besides letting you know that this guy is the real deal. He has extensive knowledge. I mean, I could stand and listen to this guy talk about V8s and V6s forever. And like I said, his heart's in it. He's got a passion for this thing. And I told him, this is the first time that I've actually gotten something through him. And so this is the first time I actually interacted with this guy and had service through this guy and whatever, and he is excellent. I mean, service, I was inside the workshop, I was walking around. I didn't record that because we were so deep into conversation that I didn't really record that. But this guy's workshop, you can see he's a perfectionist. You can see he's everything's clean, everything's neat, everything's on its place. And if he's like that in his workshop, then he's like that on the things he works with. When he works on cars, he's got that. He's working on it the right way, the way it needs to be, and he's doing the job properly. He's not rushing it. He's not in. It doesn't even feel like he's in it for the money. It just feels like, he wants you to appreciate his work. He's like an artist. They weren't in it for the money. They were in it for, here's this beautiful piece of art that I made, appreciate it. And that's what it feels like he's doing. He's creating these art pieces, and he's saying, look at this, look how great this is. And I can really appreciate that about him, and his craftsmanship and his workmanship. And he will go above and beyond. I mean, I asked him on a weekend. They only work Monday to Fridays. So I asked him on a weekend, look, I'm stranded, fuck, I need a pulley, sort me out, please. This dude responded on a Sunday, and said, don't worry, I got your back. Come Monday, Tuesday, whenever, I've got your belt waiting for you already, and I've got a pulley for you that you can have. I mean, who else will do something like that? I mean, who do you know that'll do something like that besides family or friends or whatever? This dude, I don't know him from a bar of soap, but I tell you this, he's got a customer for life right now in me. And I hope that everyone out there listening to this, and I'm going to be posting this on Instagram, I'm going to be posting this on Facebook, if you guys need anything V8 related, I'm talking about, this guy has diagnostics for any vehicle, but if you guys have anything, rare cars, this dude worked on a Viper, this dude worked on a H2 Hummer, this guy has so much unique cars, and there's so many well-known people and people that have these V8s and stuff that only go strictly to this guy. I mean, he has well-known clients, people that you probably didn't know is his client, and they just go to this dude. I mean, like I said, I'm going to be dropping a link down below to, they have a Facebook page, I'm going to be dropping a link down to that, and their website. Ackerman Motors, you guys are the best. I hope that this brings you many more loyal customers. Like I said, you got a customer for life right here. You're going to be seeing me well soon again, bringing you some work in. And like I said, you guys, if you have any muscle car related, any V6 related, Jeep, doesn't matter, take it to this dude and he will sort you out. I mean, there's no two ways about it, this oak will sort you out. And like I said, I hope this brings in many more customers, because that's what I'm trying to do right here. I'm trying to promote this man's work, because I don't think I've come across anyone in a very long time that is this passionate about their work. You can see they always tell you, do what you love and you'll never feel like you're working again. That's this man, and I can't believe that I've actually come across someone like that in my lifetime, because I wish I could do something that I loved so passionately that like he does. It's amazing to see. So yeah, give him a shout out, give him a call, drop him an email, drop him a message on Messenger. I've done all of those, and this guy responds like that. So don't be shy, and yeah, let's get these things installed and start the Reaper back up, and hopefully she does. I doubt that she won't, but let's go and have a look-see and see what happens. You know, I got to grab me this Dr. Pepper right quick. Dr. Pepper is the shit. Guys, so we just got down to the car now. Gonna release the bearing or the nut holding the pulley down. And I'm just going to see if that new pulley that I got holds about the same. It looks to be the same. I thought this pulley would actually be a bit smaller or bigger, but it's actually the exact same size. So yeah, let's see what happens. Ain't nothing better than a Dr. Pepper. Okay, new pulleys on, installed. Hey guys, it's finally installed. You can see we're working at night here already with the light and shit. So we're about to start up and see what happens. Let's do this. Alarm! Hey guys, so we just got the belt and the new pulley on. The new pulley, because it's not a brand new one, the pulley seems to have a bit of it's the bearing basically. The bearing is not brand new either, so it's giving a bit of a squeaky noise and so on. But I'm gonna contact Wayne and just ask him if we can maybe just push that bearing out using a vise and just put a new bearing in, because that's not a major issue if we can do that. If not, I'm just gonna order a brand new one from him, because like I said, he's so good at, you know, everything. So he can basically just order me a new one and have it here in a week. So that's also cool, that I can get shit from him and have it in a week, which is pretty awesome because he does importing as well. So that's pretty cool. But it seems to be fine right now. If we can pop a new bearing in just by pushing the old one out and putting a new one in, then it's not an issue. Then sorted basically. Belt is obviously brand new, so that's not an issue. And car seems to be running fine. We left it idling a bit. It's not heating up or anything like that. I just threw in some oil and some water. So yeah, seems to be good. I'll be driving the car and just see what it does tomorrow, but I don't think there should be any issues. If there is, God forbid, then we'll have to just sort those out as well. But I doubt there'll be any issues. If I can push out the old bearing and put a new bearing in, then I'll be doing that tomorrow night and sort that out, and then everything should be A4 So I'll see you guys again. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Like I said, you're going to be dropping a link down below in the description to his Facebook page and obviously his website, and you guys need to check it out. Like I said, if you have any vehicles that need attention, V8, V6, anything muscle, take it to him, he'll sort you out. But anyway guys, this was just a quick short video of some progress on the car. The unexpected issues obviously, but yeah, it's all sorted. So basically on to the next.